Hi and welcome to a quickie from Fat Boys Junction. Essentially this one is just a follow up to the Accurascale 66 launch, and I'm just wanted to show you how I fitted the crew in, which I ordered from Accurascale. So as I say, just a quickie. Hope you enjoy it. I was very pleased indeed with the response I got from my review of the Accurascale Class 66 locomotive that has recently come out. I'd like to thank you all very much for your generous comments that you made in the video, and yeah, it's really quite made my day. So here is another brief look at Accurascale's wonderful Class 66, and in my case I purchased 66507 in Freightliner green, and very nice it is too. I said in my review of the model that I was going to order some crew and get them fitted, and I thought I'd share with you my experience in getting that done. Amongst the wonderful information that you get with this locomotive is obviously the main instructions on how to fit the pipes, but also a quick guide on how to fit a crew. Now it's obviously that I'm concentrating on today, but after another browse of the instructions I'll be fitting the pipes as well sometime. But today it's the crew. So this is the main section, and as you can see it does say you can get more information about fitting the crew in their support pages, but sadly when I looked all I kept getting was no matches found, so I might have been doing something wrong, but there we are. Anyway, I sent off and this is what arrived. 2 sets of crew, and I had to agonise over which set to fit. I'm only going to put them in one side because I'm only going to pull wagons. The price for these two were $19.90 with postage free. I am of course signed up to Accurascale's website. Anywho, I chose these guys, so let's get them fitted. Now, I don't know about you folks out there in YouTube land, but I think these guys look great, and I was looking forward to fitting them in. My 66 came sound fitted, but if you wanted to fit a DCC chip, it's just a matter of removing the part of the roof that's the exhaust, and everything is accessible so easily. But also, to get the body off, it is a simple affair. It's a screwless design with just 4 clips that need to be prized off to remove the body very, very easily. And using your trusty tools or a set of credit cards for instance, off it comes, no problem whatsoever. The only thing you do need to be aware of as you remove the body are these intricate pipeworks that Accurascale have actually on the body itself. You don't want to break those, but they are not connected to the chassis in any way, so they do slide off, no problem, just be careful. I am aware that many of you watching this have done this 100 times, but for those who haven't, I put tweezers here to lift it out, and with thumb and forefinger I pushed the sides here and pop, out it comes very easily to reveal the cab light and the insides of the windows. Very nice. And you're left with the very nicely decorated inside of the cab. Now, Accurascale recommend a form of superglue, one assumes. I can't even pronounce the name that they're saying to use. But I'm not in favour of using anything permanent, so I'm going to use, as an experiment, black tack. Now, my other reason for this is that I may want to swap out the crew to the different ones that I've got. So I just took a little piece like this and attached it to one of the crew, and it works a treat, I have to say. So you just fit it in, and there they are. Lovely, looking really good, I think anyway. So you tell me, and you can hold them upside down, the black tack holds. Here you go, look at that. And if by chance they don't hold, well, it's just a simple matter of taking the body off again, isn't it? Anyway, I return the body, being careful with the pipes. Let's see how they look. Well, he looks great. Feet up, relaxed. He hasn't got much to do, clearly. Yeah, he looks great in there. And the driver too. Yeah, I am so pleased with how they look. Brilliant. For me, it's so important to put the crew in a locomotive to make it look as realistic as possible. And of course, the sound helps. Love it. Thanks for watching this short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously a lot of you know how to do this, but if you don't, well, I hope it helped. Please subscribe to the channel. We want that subscription, and don't forget to like it if you liked it. In the meantime, please feel free to watch some more of my videos, just in case you're completely and utterly bored with nothing to do and only EastEnders or Emmerdale's on the telly. Just think, let's watch that fat bloke make a complete prat of himself. Take it easy out there. Bye bye.